Let's get into what this product looks like, feels like, and then we're gonna test these babies out. Alright, hello there, informed beauties. I have a new product that we are going to be trying tonight. When people say TikTok make me buy it, I'm gonna tell you right now, that is a real thing, because I will be on TikTok and I'll be like, does that really work? Let me try it out. Let the true skin expert try it out, okay? Doing an Amazon skincare product review, and this is the Clean Skin Club. Now, you may have heard about these. I don't know how long they've been around for, but people swear by this in the reviews. They say that it's great for drying your face, that they're really durable, they feel really good, and all of that, right? So let's first get into this and what it's all about. So this is the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels Extra Large by Bamboo. They are extremely soft, 100% biodegradable, 50 count come in this box, cruelty-free, vegan, and organic bamboo. Clean towel uses. So you can use this to dry your face after cleansing. Pair with makeup remover to gently and effortlessly remove makeup. Wet and use with a cleanser for a gentle exfoliation. Use to remove face mask, mess free, and clean your skincare tools, makeup brushes, bathroom counter, vanity, and more. And we will be testing out those tonight, okay? I want to see how it dries the face. I want to see how it cleanses the face, all of that. We're gonna get into it. Why clean towels? So what if we told you that your towels are a breeding ground for bacteria, even the ones you just washed? Yep, that's right. Towels can harbor lots of nasty germs such as coliform and even E. coli, and the last thing you want is for that bacteria to be put back on your face. That is true. True that nothing is 100% germ-free, but we have created Clean Towel to ensure you complete your skincare routine in the cleanest way possible every time. So I also feel like that spoke to me a lot, or that really intrigued me when it came to this product, because as you guys know, I will have random breakouts. I do really want to see if this is going to make a difference in my breakouts, if it's going to help them reduce, because I am not using, you know, towels that could possibly be putting more bacteria onto my face. Also, when you removing my face mask, I pretty much destroy my face towels a lot of times, removing those clay masks. So that's another reason why I was like, oh, this removes clay face mask. Count me in, okay? And typically, sometimes I would just air dry my face, but if I could have something where I don't have necessarily air dry, I can just like pat it dry. I like that as well. So let's get into what this product looks like, feels like, and then we're gonna test these babies out. So like this is the XL, and they feel really soft. That like made me even more excited when I felt these, and I was like, oh, they are incredibly soft. Okay, I believe this product was about $28 for a 50 pack, which is not bad at all. Of course, I will leave the link down below for you guys when it comes to this product, but it is a pretty great size. I just want to make sure you guys can see in its entirety like how much of a product you're getting. Like it's a pretty like good amount here. One thing that I want to do first is that I have makeup on my face, and I want to go ahead and I want to remove it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my bangs real quick and everything, and prep my hair so that we can jump into cleaning my face for the day. All right, perfect. So now that our hair is out of the way, let's start with removing this makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my typical coconut oil removal. So I just take a few drops of my coconut oil and I do place it on my face. Oh, they don't even rip. Okay, so I was going to try to rip these in half. They don't rip in half, so I recommend possibly cutting these in half to use that way. So I'm just going to take a whole one, and I'm just going to wet it down to see how it removes this oil. Moisture or water very easily, and when it absorbs the water, it's a very clean absorbent. Like, it's just like a wet paper towel, which is very interesting. So let's see how this removes my makeup. Okay. super bad. I feel like if I need to use this, I will, but honestly I prefer to use a sponge or something else to remove it. I feel like that would do a lot better with removing like oils from the skin. I really feel like this is the best thing to remove oils from the skin. I still have a lot of makeup around like my eye area. We are going to use Dr. Bronner's cast out soap. All right, so let's go ahead and let's massage it all in. So they did say that this has a little bit of an exfoliation to it when you are cleansing or using a cleanser with it. So let's see what kind of I feel an exfoliator with it. Like, how does it go? I don't think this is great to remove your cleanser. I think this is great for helping with that motion of getting it into the skin. So I would not suggest using this to remove your cleanser. More so like just helping to cleanse the skin. And for the final test, let's see how these dry the skin. My skin is pretty damp, so let's see how it dries. Let's talk about the product. So for removing of the makeup or the oil cleanser method, it did the job, but it didn't want me. I can definitely use a different method as far as like using my sponge or using a makeup remover for that. So I don't see myself using it for that purpose ever again. But if I have it around and I need to do it, it works fine for that. To cleanse with, it is a great way for you to use with your cleanser to more so exfoliate the skin. And I did feel how afterwards my skin was a lot like smoother. I felt like the cleanser penetrated a little bit better into my skin versus just using my fingers. So I definitely can see myself using that product for that. I'd rather use like my sponges suited for that, but if this is around, once again, I would use it for that, but it's not my first go-to. Lastly, I used it to dry, and I will say I think drying of the skin with this is amazing. My skin, it wasn't overly dry. I just pat dried it with that, and it just picked up the moisture, but it didn't suck the moisture out of my skin. I still had a little bit of a moisture or water on the skin, which I like because that is great also if you're trying to put on products and lock in and all that. So it did work great for me on that part of it. So definitely I can see me using the clean skin in my regimen every day for drying of my face more so, and it's just a great alternative for me to use versus towels. And I definitely want to do the switch to see if it does make a difference in like my random breakouts that I do get, and I definitely will keep you guys updated because tools, products like this that you use every day do also impact your skin in many ways. All right, I will definitely leave all links down below to this product for you guys to go and check them out. And with that being said, I will see you guys in a later video.